Mima Oyakwaba Eba GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Premo Captain Smart on the TV morning show host. For the analysis here today, I will just about that they are waiting a 2024 elections. Now, today they send the brain out together. Now, so they go a captain similar message says, I feel our channel so a message say over subscribe now. While like it on share video, we are by say over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. When sa video phobia we upload also was a can be. After we are now like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now, what share my offer for so now. When you be now, one share now, when we are airco. Afi Yebura a year and sitting. A year Captain Smart, or Net TV morning show host, or the Xavier to their what says a year Bawumia presidency a year. Be watching that or be control say remote or the control a year about me and then a year to show or on any members now when you do it here. Now we are captain at the analysis after the award to say Bawumia 2024 elections now. We so Captain Adda and Assembly Bray at the and then tomorrow Yembura a year Captain Smart Akati it and Sema with the Tuga F a year about me. Even is a running meeting crown a year and simply almost a boss a year Busumi a junior one of the running meeting ever. You the airport to say Bawumia Críéd why confused or only papa on finding in a running mate. Yembura Captain China Yinti and some year Captain Smart Eddie to that effort yes answering you now. Yinti Captain.
Bawumia Gabi watch that cook remote control.
So be ye
what's that?
David want me.
Messi.
Because
Gabi better me fear remote. I could Jubilee House. Bawumia the tea besi wo. When I catch them. What's that?
Because Bawumia wife no or your strong woman.
Where?
Samira.
Where?
Oh, you be control.
Oh, sister.
Na anya mo share na. What dia mo share there?
Say you from Fantsman girls.
Oh, me Kojo.
Through to East Lake baby, I know your gym secretary.
Run wa hu. First program tie. Not aban. So, said the ordinary crew to ho. Class yenye ne sia. Papa no do it. Say Bawumia ne mai Samira amukọ event a. Eya hwe Bawumia ni behavior. And so kan so hwe. Ebe reflect it. No.
Governance.
David, I check for you near Bawumia.
Obi antimi remote control no. But na yere no so ntimi influence governance. Ontimi.
I'm saying they make
personality there maybe you have a
I'm not talking about the personality.
Now can they?
Baba mo de.
Enya ba mu krampon mu a. Oni ni kunu kasa se krache. Yanko ne senya.
Etu be so chance. Rebecca
Akufo-Addo. Okatapa. Bawo kwadu cabinet wa de Rebecca beka na kadem.
Mama nka se Afia. Mama nka se monchel. Say ade achim mafias na ye nyina ne say. Yenim say ministers there. Bawumia ne chief of staff ne beyi. DC. Bawumia chief of staff ne local government minister. Ene beyi. Womuno umejama. State institutions ministers and MMDCs. Appointment a president here a constitution ni muni na no mbejama. Ba woni. One a very influential and powerful state institutions ni na no. Omo de nkrofo na tuatua hwa ma. Eno wontimi pamo.
Timi nyobore.
They appoint here be shame.
They will control the chief executive for the chief executive to control you. Hey, Bawumia can never be his own man.
Oh,
so betimi aya. On resigning as vice president, don't concentrate as a flag bearer.
On resign say.
On timi nya.
Okay, the mandate to we are.
Some mandate we.
Yeah, complete.
President to cry so betimi resigning. Nti mandate be ya.
Oh, so onyare hwenya no. Obetimi combine the company official juma no.
Number one. Running Senka Oyino Monday.
Aye.
Anna, on one can start a campaign without a running mate. Now, Mami, and then Mami open to you, ladies.
Go ahead.
Sister, the party was so high.
Hey, so now.
Amongst a ma.
Okay, ma.
Bawumia your bear point home. Cecilia Dapa.
Auntie, see the one.
Chief of staff.
There be a chief of staff mom na any
common fund mammy friend said
Natoshi is fine.
And I fee Central Regional Minister Marigold.
I think Marigold should be.
I think
So be fa bar.
Offer Marigold mom.
Ansha e be ya nipa na yimu baako.
for ba so make us copy.
All right?
Oh, copy say.
Copy dey say na nya
And there so be a
Mahama e be ma Bawumia so ye be ma. Ti say na copy dey say nkanye ndɛ. Say na nya he. Obi abetumi afọ ba. But the tie ne say Jane wa ya ade kituwa bi wetiwa. Ama asa wo your oba na obe compete na.
Also raise standard no. Is it raise bar?
The only oba nko betimi aye running mate ama Bawumia Sammy unfortunately we na yere don't me.
Oh, those were hardcore already.
A member na aka no say member na o ma shortlist man aka 5.
Running mate.
Yes, na postal of education minister e was soro chair 5 ni nyina. Brian Agyapong from Eastern Region. I came here to tell you, say battle na be between Ashanti and Eastern. Brian is back. Osai chairman Sabonsu aba listening.
Oh, the only chain.
Okay. Now, say Bawumia person or chairman Sabonsu osro because mafias no will rake them down. Because they thought say Chairman Sabonsu no can men at 88 no. Meanwhile the Chairman Sabonsu can. And at the poisoning in Abaya, Chairman Sabonsu yere can say, "Who kwatena plane mu klen di meduane man weduane am kwatena plane."
Lunch box.
The Chairman Sabonsu took on the lunch box kwatena flight. Your man nkwan kura wo fi ko. Egu plastic im te say akola wo ko kindergarten. Or they are call for flight. Eti e hono suro kakra wo ho. Nanka former first deputy speaker of parliament Joe was Owusu but almost a dwe
Abaso
yes
or to send napo almost omo ye dwe no mutu phone as anti omo attitude bi ni adenti ama say Bawumia are confused
and
education is high
never one adutwum
you see say pa no if what is the man no betimi atwika na running mate keke
vasia no mame
no obi aye the steer man no betimi atwi running mate keke wa body nipa betimi na aye adwuma so body keke so wuntimi mo say aka me my own man
Bawumia adutwum din na ye nko
amansan nyina begye atom
obi a wa MPP bi aye corrupt
oh
wo mu ina dey akwesansa the same
any evidence
Bobidi na me ma list
and Bobidi ma me sapo
body na ma list
mami and na ka na say me universal
eti what ka futuru mu a ade na me just pick one person and let's go difficult for
Bawumia me choose to be
easy decision
it's an easy decision he is waiting for the Chim mafias the big shots in it to direct him who to choose. That is why I'm saying that he can never be his own man.
Tanya de ya Tamil so but oba ye hu difference.
Me say Atamil se dear no. It was obvious
that
time John Mahama ni di ba bonte say person be ye Atamil's running mate no. Ye na ye hu say Rollins kra ko tum for say money John Mahama nkasa no me ye.
And then ye no kre ye kai.
Meboa.
And ye kai.
Very good. And John Mahama ne Mills so buy no. Abon gele gebem. Kweku Annan ya igbeni ba cut Rollins to size. Kweku Annan
say be be no obi obe cut Akufo-Addo ni chebifo.
Obi ani wo say party mama cho MPP party na wo ho no.
Mama hwe bia
na call short pa old guts na e call short no. Dogboro is J but J say onkasa
bio.
Onye involve J supporting Bawumia say Bawumia is qualified to be president or supporting him because of his loyalty to the party. Okay?
Okay, be an aye basa.
It would not to nchen ya. When I wield the power say we party no no. You di kan party dan ka say party and another. Or control party. Or Safamafo. Hackman is still in charge. Now, we call Eastern Regional one we grooming woman to handle the party. Brian Agyapong. Any Sammy.
He doesn't come in.
Bante where your friend say. You want the scholarship secretariat where your friend say. King Kingsley Agyapong.
Kingsley Agyapong.
They are the two powerful people in the eastern region now. It's a man rift to grab that Brian and then Kingsley in Temuka. That's which be. Hey, but you guys keep it cool, man. One me no.
Asem ki 12 na aba.
And a fight central region. We need power brokers or partner. Obi aye de ope. Western region. And na Western regional minister. No per se. Ono na party be share nsem. And I'm rekudu ka per se party be share nsem Western region. But unfortunately, galamsey nti woman lose you woman nyam. Woko be ni power brokers. First na your two brothers we know you from say. Chremene ni nua no. Asuma Chreme. And the brother no. One and uncle Mumienu ni betuma the top notch power brokers in the MPP. And Omejai and a Collins down that Agyapong half.
They say Obiboahe mpacho.
Oh yeah, Obiboahe kan okra. Eti time a JH Mensa oye Teresa Akufo. Time a JH Mensa oye former first lady ni nua be mayare na Collins down na hwe no. Maka. Na Collins down na hwe JH Mensa.
Send the personal doctor now.
And your doctor Collins down na hwe no. Wa we be man be challenge. Eti MPP said that need power brokers our bronga half. Eti former health minister Kweku Annan and all consult across. Try to bridge Mpenifo kakra woman to hold it. Greater Accra woman need power broker be our partner.
No.
Ucha. Greater Accra. Shade omni regional minister. Taboye na dwin say o Krumaye. Eti Greater Accra etu afutrum. Vote are there and Kaho. Northern region Kaho, Upper Eastern Kaho, Upper Western Kaho. Bawumia were holding Wale pen, trying to dissipate in Niamabi and diffuse in Niamabi so that Northern Ghana be flow. But some people are careful, they will lose the entire Upper East region. Why don't we city back crowd? Omugo hook to every the whole Upper East region. MPP enya one seat, one problem Toronto. Central region, coastal line areas, and they've lost it already. Because Anka Cape Coast, Metropolitan Chief Executive now, for instance, something at a donut, no, on the donata, or the Atta, but on the don, the no simple. On an Anka obey to me, Ricket Hagen. But a ban Nyansa, Yadia politics are MC no Nibi. Ricket Hagen Bruno Subebre as a Ricket Hagen war PhD holder and we work KG1. Eti emfa on to me. And I will call Cape Coast North to say the other side and so emfa. And say Punano holding in no man careful. They will lose all. Because we need power brokers or partnering. And a marigold in Peso Betty will be an asshole. Mamino, she's playing it very, very safe. She doesn't want to step on anybody's toe. Eti Reggie Nedaho. Woko Ashanti regional, one more power region, so I said they will not talk, but we cannot trample over them. Eti our station, our TV station, or radio station, no, oyedidi. But we want to be in trim for chairman Kwaso, want to be in trim for FF Antoso. And the chairman caucus be wo asukwa no we ruma basanti achem wa ruma command so ho side no ne ade ne amansie side ho no. Won't mean to be trim for so. And the Adokufos, any chairman Sabunsunum, and your friend say, Bequai, MPs. What you want to man say? Won't mean onion answer for. And where open secret. What might some answer won't mean yen answer for. And so won't mean ma unknown to be trim. Aha, it's a Ashanti region so a concord. So, Bawumia as an individual, no problem, and one and Nimuno as so. But so bet to be a take bold decision and next week or may running meet.
Running meet near the Bemamo.
And the Necra meeting or your latest by next week here.
So what I say, it's danger and they have seen opposition staring heavily at them. Once they're breaking the age, indicators no. Say a baby or a bemuna or a co-position. Na otwan trona etote na wantimi anye damage control pe na omu so co-position train na sem no once aban we ayi din
except to ya can we
esenka by now omo repair damage no
oh say I repair
why na repair
you we make us Photoshop
why
Amen.
And say Komutim very pay.
I say Photoshop.
Again, they wanted Alan Kyeremanteng to become the running mate of Bawumia. So do you know what they did? They sent the former Speaker of Parliament, your friend say, Aaron Michael Quay. So Uncle Kojo Kyeremanteng, one J. Akufo, no one Kokasa, no money Alan and Kasa. Aaron Michael Quay, I'm challenging you, come out and say I'm lying.
And then
Kojo Kyeremanteng, one Kojo Kyeremanteng catch beside and say, what is bad about you that you cannot talk to Alan? And what is good about me that you want me to talk to Alan? Meboa. You see, so part in the from so some more pampo la foko ni Kwabena Agyapong. And then they break the backbone of MPP by we thought that party now we need 2016 and need 2020. And I kept telling party executives and they say the backbone of the party, no, you're breaking it down. Because it's funny in a dry. But we thought that they voted for the NPP. But no more. So they were waiting to see how that problem could be fixed. They looked at Bawumia as an ordner and Polafoko as an ordner. That Bawumia can fix that problem. Bawumia to me and fix it. I mean, so party, as the new patriotic party, there's a huge trouble. One to me is always helping them to lose Ashanti region. Now, say Alan in 10 votes.
10%.
Alan onya 10 votes per 10. Our polling station be our Ghana 390,000. Because 10 times 39,000. Okay, so watch this. Watch this. Alan in 10 votes. Menshia, Alan Benya over 300 votes. Oh, Menshia both constituencies now over 300 votes. Me, I have taught the constituencies and I've done the research. I've done my calculation. Say Alan ne votes as an Akan. Obey appreciate it as an individual independent presidential candidate and J. Akufo, not in numbers. Not in numbers. But as an individual independent presidential candidate or voter region, Obey appreciate it more than Nanado and John Ajekum Kufo. Alan will do better as an individual, independent presidential candidate, first of its kind in this country, our western and central region. Baby, Alan, on to me now, the dominated Akan areas of eastern region. Now, enumpono Kweku, the southern part of Kweku, a Bay Ashanti region, woman, you're careful, even though on to me winning the president, yeah, establishing and all. On to me the president. Woko northern region Alan Bay appreciate here we yendi. Obey idea we yendi. And he's 70. One bay campaign pa ewa wale. And he's 70. And say so I realize here. Baby Alan Akobiano. Bawumia si actually. Womumia ni nakowi na Mahama so esi
omachi.
Your baby, I for tiptoe lane. What do you say tiptoe? A political strategy. Mahama Techina or tiptoe. So it is possible Bawumia will lose.
Oh, Kojo. It is possible nobody will lose.
One can press here assembly.
What a shock.
First time. Me can same way when MPP meeting I say Kumasi in 2008 that we are losing. Penny for permit me meeting now. Yeah, two about the year, you know. And who say Asamna me can, you know.
Yeah, Jumo.
It is possible Bawumia will lose. Now, danger now when says Bawumia lose here. The running mate here why?
Ebeba.
There be one yanti I say.
All right.
Now they are looking for a running mate. On to me, MPK, too popular than Bawumia, so that their teams will still go behind him with the money they have stolen for him to become again the presidential candidate of the MPP in 2028. It is a kind a Japanese document now. It is in it that Bawumia will lose 2024. So Olusia, I say Omunya running mate, on to be picking channel. That is why now they are a bit skeptical about Education Minister and Napu, because both of them can pick ahead of Bawumia after they've lost the elections.
Yo, give away and some Captain Smart, editor on Net TV morning show host for the analysis to be what to say Bawumia Críéd maybe or Owusu, Samson Aremeyaw Anas and Sammy and SMP. Because this is so and now here no so when you subscribe let's just say over subscribe no like it. Now watch your video no ama up for so any na watch. Also betting at what in Afriyie and some way now a comment box in Mobati interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.